Each day, I want my kids to be excited when they enter the classroom. It's a new day. We have to transform the way content is delivered to our students and give them the best in-class experience.
In Fort Bend ISD, a middle school teacher is making sure his students have a head start with their finances.
How did you find out you were one of our Region 4 finalists for Teacher of the Year?
Excited to have my students vote for me and to see, each and every day, we work with each other and I put so much energy into them and then they give me the energy back.
If they have not been in a public school in a while, don't really understand what's going on. Y'all have kept up with the times.
As educators, we must make sure that our lessons are engaging, skills-rich, and most of all, fun. We can't be afraid to think outside the box. We must give the power to the students and help them take ownership of their learning. We have to embrace technology. This is how our students love to learn, so we have to meet them where they are and figure out how to incorporate this in our daily lessons.
Welcome to Mr. Thomas' class. Listen to this episode how my students talk about why their grades aren't good.
Go. I had a GPA of a 3.8, but then that one teacher that don't put in grades.
Mama! What? Hi.
Celebrate the accomplishments of your students. It's important that they know that you're just as excited as they are about them learning and growing in your class. It's not too late to sign up. I hope to see you January 25th at my breakout session at the Harris County Department of Education, a day of educational innovation. See you there.
Practice!